Today, I am reviewing the ECOVACS DEEBOT T50 MAX robot vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Starting with the build and the design, the T50 MAX feels like a matured piece of hardware. The standout element here is the Omni Station. It is a substantial, fully automated base that handles almost everything from hot water mop washing to heated air drying and automatic dustbin emptying. In a busy household, this is where the real value lies. You are not just buying a vacuum, you're buying a system that attempts to remove you from the loop as much as possible. Setting it up is fairly intuitive, though the sheer footprint of the station is something to keep in mind if you have limited space. It needs a clear area to function properly, so you really have to plan where this is going to live in your home. The suction power, which is the most heavily marketed feature, certainly makes an impression, but it is important to contextualize it. While 18,500 pascals sounds astronomical compared to older models, the reality is that the way a vacuum is sealed and how it manages airflow is just as critical as the raw pressure rating. On hard floors, the T50 MAX is more than enough to handle everything from fine dust to heavier particles like cereal or coffee grounds. Where that extra power actually shows its worth is on medium to thick pile carpets. It does a respectable job of pulling embedded dirt out of fibers, which is where many lesser machines simply glide over the top. That said, it is quite loud when it hits its maximum performance levels. You will definitely know when it is working hard. One of the more practical upgrades here is the ZeroTangle 2.0 system. If you have pets or long hair in your home, you know how frustrating it is to spend half your time cleaning hair off the roller brush. ECOVACS has clearly focused on this, and the results are noticeable. It is not entirely immune to tangles, especially if you have a massive amount of hair on a plush rug, but it is significantly better than the standard brush rolls from just a few years ago. You will find yourself reaching for the scissors or the cleaning tool much less often, which is exactly the kind of quality of life improvement that makes a robot vacuum worth the investment. The mopping performance is backed by an 18mm auto lift feature, which is a big deal if your home has a mix of flooring types. There is nothing worse than a robot vacuum dragging a dirty, wet mop across a clean carpet. The T50 MAX handles this transition quite well. The lifting mechanism is reliable, and it gives you peace of mind to let the robot roam freely without worrying about wet rugs. The TruEdge 2.0 edge cleaning is another clever addition. It extends a mop or brush to get closer to baseboards and furniture legs, which addresses a long-standing weakness of circular robot designs. It does not get into every single tight corner with perfect accuracy, but it covers significantly more ground than machines that just stick to a rigid circular path. Navigation is handled by a combination of AIVI 3D 3.0 and standard LiDAR. This is where the AI comes in. It does a generally good job of recognizing and avoiding common household hazards like cables, shoes, or discarded toys. It is not infallible, though. Like most vision-based systems, it can occasionally get tripped up by very low-profile items or highly reflective surfaces. If you have a house full of problem areas like tangled charging cables or loose clothing, you will still want to do a quick sweep before starting a clean. The YIKO-GPT voice control is an interesting addition, and for those who like to manage their smart home with simple commands, it is a smooth experience. It integrates well with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can easily weave it into your existing routines. Now, let's talk about the user experience in the real world. The app is quite polished, offering a lot of granular control over mapping, no-go zones, and cleaning schedules. You can customize how it treats different rooms, which is useful if you have a bedroom where you don't want the mop to go or a kitchen that needs more intensive cleaning. However, the software can feel a bit dense for some users. There are a lot of settings to dig through, and it might take a few days of experimentation to get it tuned exactly how you want it. It is not the kind of device you just turn on and walk away from without ever looking at the app. You will need to spend some time setting up your maps properly to get the most out of the features. Maintenance is generally straightforward, but it is not entirely maintenance-free. Even with an Omni Station that cleans the mops and empties the bin, you still have to manage the water tanks. You need to keep the clean water tank filled and the dirty water tank emptied. The station does a good job of drying the mops to prevent that sour, musty smell, but you should still periodically inspect the tray and the base to ensure that dirt isn't building up over time. It is a system that thrives on consistency, so the more diligent you are about keeping the base clean, the less likely you are to run into issues. When considering who should buy this, it really comes down to whether you value time-saving convenience over a low price tag. If you have a large home with a mix of hard floors and carpets, and if you have pets that shed, the T50 MAX is a very strong contender. The ability to mop and vacuum in one go without you having to intervene every 5 minutes is a genuine benefit. It handles the dirty work effectively enough that you can essentially delegate daily maintenance to it. On the other hand, if you live in a smaller space, or if you mostly have hardwood floors with very few rugs, you might find that you are paying for features you don't fully utilize. The suction power, while impressive, might be overkill for simple hard floor maintenance, and the large size of the Omni Station could be an eyesore in a small apartment. It is also worth noting that this is a premium investment. If you are looking for a basic vacuum that just gets the job done, there are much more affordable options that won't take up as much space, but I also want to touch on the reliability aspect. ECOVACS has a large user base, and while most people have a smooth experience, technology like this can be prone to software hiccups or rare mechanical failures. Make sure you are buying from a reputable retailer that offers a solid warranty or return policy. It is a sophisticated machine with a lot of moving parts, and having that peace of mind is important for a long-term purchase. The navigation, while smart, is still learning, and there are occasional reports of it getting confused in complex environments or struggling to find its way back to the dock if the path is obstructed. The noise levels are another factor to consider. When it is in standard vacuuming mode, it is relatively quiet, but the suction boost on carpets and the self-emptying cycle at the base are quite loud. If you work from home or have light sleepers in the house, you might want to schedule the heavy-duty cleaning for when you are not in the same room or away from the house. It is not louder than a traditional upright vacuum, but it is certainly noticeable. Overall, the DEEBOT T50 MAX feels like a polished, high-performing robot vacuum that successfully brings together a lot of high-end features into one package. The suction claims are bold, and while they might be slightly inflated for the sake of marketing, the actual performance on carpets and mixed floors is legitimately strong. The combination of the mopping system, the auto lift, and the edge cleaning creates a cleaning experience that is far ahead of older generation robots. It is not perfect, and it still requires some human oversight for maintenance and occasional troubleshooting, but for someone looking to take a major step toward fully automated home maintenance, it does exactly what it sets out to do. It's a capable, intelligent tool that, provided you have the space for the station, can significantly reduce the amount of time you spend on your weekly chores. Just be honest about your own home environment. If your floors are constantly cluttered with items that the obstacle avoidance might struggle with, or if you don't have enough carpet to warrant the high suction capabilities, there might be other options that fit your specific needs just as well, or perhaps even better, at a different price point. But as it stands, this is a very capable machine that sits firmly in the upper echelon of what is available right now. If you do decide to look further into it, the links are below.